slime, no glue, no borax, no contact solution.
Hello everyone, welcome to my 8th day in Korea. Today we went to Gwangjang Market to have our first meal of the day. We got this kimbap and it was my favorite thing that we got. I finished an entire container of it. Our next stop of the day was Seoul Tower, and we took a gondola all the way up to the top.
You know, Olivia Rodrigo did this in Paris.
Yeah.
Hers is in Paris, but literally everyone put their lock in her lock, and now the Sharpie on hers is like rubbed out. There's a lot of ink on this table. Baby girl, your turn.
Nice, RJ. I'm so proud of you. You don't have to go back to kindergarten.
Can I do? Oh, I'm scared.
Nice. Show me the whole thing, baby.
3, 2, 1. Look at this.
Okay, let's go sit down.
That's us. Look, Mom. What? Oh my gosh.
Korean barbecue.
Dad, look.
Another one? No.
It's the tower. It's lit. It's lit. It's Rainbow Road, Mario Kart. Oh my gosh. Korean Mickey Mouse. It's snowing. It's snowing.
Oh my gosh, oh my gosh.
Okay, but where's the K-pop store? Sugar! Candy! So this is haha. Or and this is no, and then this one is This is so scary. Ew!
Okay. Okay. Oh, get out.
Wow, wow, wow. Oh my gosh. Question mark?
Video. Do your dance.
Yeah.
Do your dance. Go.
Ew. This is the dog, right?
That's like a horse.
No, this is the horse.
That's a horse. This is a dog.
It's a rat. It's you.
Okay.
That's a horse. It's my dog. Maybe he got a dog. Oh my gosh, dude.
Okay.
Oh my gosh.
You ready?
What does it say? What does it say?
Now I have to translate.
Wow.
We took an Uber from the tower to Top 10 back in Hongdae, and I found these really cute pants from the kids section, and they were a Powerpuff Girl collab, and they were so cute. We went to this restaurant with no English menu, and we got all these different types of pork skewers from different parts of the pig, and it scared me too much to eat.
Oh, sorry, RJ. There's lights, you know. Do it again.
Edit it. I can edit it.
So for today's haul are the Powerpuff Girl pants with the logos, and then we also got the honey vinyl along with the group New Jeans vinyl version.
Okay. First one.
How sweet and bubblegum. New Jeans version.
Okay.
Wow. The plastic is off. Look at that. Look how glossy it is. Okay. You're gonna open
Oh my gosh. Okay.
Whoa. Whoa, what's this?
Is this a oh no, it's the photo book.
It's the photo book.
Okay.
Ow. They got photos of them.
Okay, now tell me each person.
Okay, next. Oh, the mini poster. We got another book.
Sounds cute.
Here is the DVD. Here's what the DVD look like. Wow.
Postcard.
Postcard. We got stickers. Oh, stickers of all of them. We have multiple.
Whoa, there's a
photo
lot.
books.
Open them face down. Okay, okay. First one. It's
No, it says in the back.
no.
Pain. Okay, now we got Heron.
Oh, cute, Aiden.
Next we got Danielle.
Danny.
And we got Honey.
Why is her note just a U?
And then we got Minji.
Oh, so it's like everyone. Is it random? Or do you just automatically get everyone?
I think you just get everyone.
Or can I have hidden?
Oh, you can rip it.
Really?
Yeah. I think these are
Hang.
all posters.
But are they double-sided though?
Wow, this is all going up across the living room.
you getting tingles?
I'm getting spider tingles. What's this? We get a cardboard. I need that one, guys.
Guys, I needed this.
Have you ever said that to your friends? After
Yeah.
a good hangout.
Yeah. No. Where's your wallet?
My wallet? It's in my backpack.
Put her in your wallet.
I want to put Felix in my wallet.
Know who you're fighting for. Whoa, look at it. It's so glossy. Okay. Dude, relax.
I didn't even do anything.
Dude, can you relax? Oh my gosh. Stop freaking out. Oh, it's a sticker.
That's what I just said.
Photo cards.
Here, you can introduce this, I guess.
This?
Guys, this is the photo cards.
And who are we gonna get?
I'm not sure.
Let's find out.
Tell me what it is.
Oh my god! Oh, that's a cute photo. You ready? Who's the next person?
Honey. Oh my gosh.
Wow.
I'm so smart. It's hot. Oh my gosh, mirror selfie.
She's fine, she's
Drop
fine.
it.
She has a Sunny's Angel.
Dude, relax.
Wait,
Relax, calm down, calm down, calm down. She has a what?
she has a Sunny's
Calm down.
You just made me drop her.
Oh,
She has a Sunny's Angels, but horizontally
Wow.
on her phone. That's not the normal way to do it.
she's so quirky.
Okay.
Hey, now it's your guys' turn to guess who it is. Comment down below and guess who this next card is.
In the
Like
next-
and
In the next 3 seconds, comment, like, and subscribe who you think it's gonna be.
if you guess it correctly, you get.
A like on your comment. 3, 2.
Has it been 30 seconds?
I said 3 seconds.
Oh. Aye! Guys, if you guessed honey, you're getting a like on your comment. Okay? So if you did, good job.
Wait, okay,
For
now
the
we
6th time. Dude, we got honey.
told you to hit Hani.
We just got honey 6 times in a row.
We have to figure out what this all spells because the back of her photo cards are all letters. Lizu.
What's this?
That's a W or an M. Or is it?
Chat, comment down below what you think the spells
Or
out.
maybe
There's
this
a U.
is. Where's it?
Lewis.
The new jeans member is Lewis.
Oh my god. Okay, guys. Amazing unboxing. Like, comment, hit that subscribe button. Actually, smash that subscribe button if you like this video. I'm sure you did, 'cause I'm in it.
Okay, bye.